Hello friends, how are you? Hope you're doing well. In this video, I am going to teach you the shortcuts of functions. So here I can show you the shortcuts of functions. So this is the function option. So in this option, you can see many options are there. So once I click on it, you can see there is a sum function, average function, count function, max, minimum, and apart from this you can see all, array, database, date, engineering, filter, financial, google, info, logical, lookup. So everything is there in functions option. You can go in this single option, you can find everything, right? So generally in this video I am just going to teach you some, average, count, max, and minimum. All right, so here I'll delete it. Now simply you can click on this and you can go in function option, click on sum, and you can see values, what the values you want to sum here. So now I selected C3 and D3, entered. You can see the sum of 95 and plus 5 is 100. So you can see here this is very simple, right? Going in function option, clicking on sum option, and selecting the values you want to add, I mean you want to sum up. You can see the result is here. I'll delete it. I'll show you another function. So I'll click on this only. I'll go in this option again, in function option, click on it. I'll click on average, and now I just want to find the average of 95. So now you can see I select the values C3 and D3, enter. Now you can see the average of 95 of 5, you can see 50. All right, likewise once you drag down, you can see the formula will be applied here in all the cells. Again I'll go in this function option, click on it, click on count, and now you want to count, right? So select the values, enter, count. So there are two counts only, C and D, the value of C and the value of D. So there are two counts only. So here you can see counts. This is very simple sheet where I'm just teaching you, but yes, this can be used for vast data as well, right? Now again I'll show you the uses of maximum. So I'll click on it, is equal to max, and in bracket you can choose the values 95 and 5. Now you can enter. You can see here the maximum value. So up, out of C and D, which one is the maximum number? So obviously बात है यहाँ पर, here you can see 95 is the maximum number. It means it is the highest number. So here you can see 95 is the highest number. So you can see in C row the numbers are highest. So that is why you can see 95, 62, 33. So just because of in C column all the numbers are highest. So for example in C5 column, if I reduce the number, so in D you can see it is 20. So let me make it here 15. So now you can see in maximum 20 is there. So now value has converted. You can see, because in C this is 15, it is less value, and in D it is 20. So 20 is the maximum number. So now you can see as I did the changes, value has been changed. Once I did on 60, you can see this has been changed, right? When again I'll put here 100. Now you can see maximum number is 100 in in between C and D. So now it is the maximum number, the calculation of function, maximum function. Now again I'll click here, I'll go in function option. You can see I'll click on minimum, click on it, is equal to minimum already has been typed here. I just need to select the value, enter. Now you can see here in between C and D the minimum number is 5. So simply you can see 5 is there. So I drag down so that all the formula is applied in all the cells. So now you can see 7 is the minimum number here. Here it is 100, and in C column 60 is minimum number. So now you can see 60 has taken, right? In this column, in between 55 and 10, 10 is less, so minimum number is showing here. For example, if I'm increasing the number, so you can see here now it has been changed. 55 is the minimum number among the C and D, between the C and D, right? So this is how you'll be going to calculate the minimum function. So I hope you understand the uses of functions. So here in this option only, you can see there are so many functions where using this function you can make your work easy. So I hope you like this video, and if you like my videos, if you like my channel, please do subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.